In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, I have provided you a link at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. And once you have copied it, please directly navigate to the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Now, once done typing, please wait until a best match should occur in this kind of window. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. So from here, you need to directly navigate to the window search bar here and Control V to paste the link, or you can simply make a right click and click on paste. And in that way, you would be able to paste the link. So hit the enter key the moment you have pasted it, and eventually you will be able to see a mega folder where it is getting ready for you. So kindly wait until you can see a file where you can download the printer driver. Once here, please navigate to download at the top of that and click on download the zip file. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if you haven't downloaded yet, please click on it and wait until it would be downloaded. Once done, copy and move that to the desktop. Okay, so here at the desktop, you need to extract the file. So you can simply make a right click and go with extract the file, or you can simply use the WinRAR tool and go with extract to. Okay, so once done, you need to proceed here. Okay, just proceed here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now here at the settings, directly navigate to the left side of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices and choose for printers and scanners, and you would be able to see this kind of window. Please click on a device and kindly wait until you can see or you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And you need to proceed to the last, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Once you're good, click on next. Go with half disk on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then you need to navigate to the desktop, scroll down on the list, double tap here, and select any of this printer driver. Click on open. Click on OK, and eventually you can get this one. Click on next, and please rename that into 2055 series. Okay, so once done, click on next, and it will now start in the installation. So all you need to do is you need to wait until this would be finished. Once done, please click on next and go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2055 series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. And if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.